Good afternoon to all the viewers, to subscribers. Thank you very much for listening to today's video. It will be video number 28. मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं क्या कर रहा था, मैं क्या कर रहा होगा, ये तीनों टेंसेस कंटिन्यूअस प्रेजेंट पास्ट और फ्यूचर से मिले हुए हैं। ऑलरेडी यू हैव स्टडीड मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, यानी इस समय, that you have studied in video number 26, 27, and later on one more video was given to you. You might have heard those videos or watched those videos. All about that was present continuous tense. आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रहा हूं मैं क्या कर रहा था। किसी मेंशन टाइम में, पास्ट के किसी मेंशन टाइम में मैं क्या कर रहा था। ये मेंशन टाइम क्या होगा मैं समझाऊंगा तो आपको। जैसे कल जब बारिश हो रही थी मैं क्या कर रहा था, कल जब पापा घर पूछे तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, जब मेहमान आए तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, जब स्कूल से बच्चे वापस आए तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, कल जब तेज हवाएं चल रही तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, कल जब बाहर शोरगुल था तो उस समय मैं क्या कर रहा था, जब 2 दिन पहले भूचाल आया उस समय मैं क्या कर रहा था। तो ये मैंने मेंशन टाइम किया, जब भूचाल आया, जब मेरा पापा घर पूछे, तो ये सारी जो है इसे बोलते हैं मेंशन टाइम। या कल 3 से 4 तक मैं क्या कर रहा था, इट्स मेंशन टाइम। कल सुबह मैं क्या कर रहा था, मेंशन टाइम। तो टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ कैन वी फ्रेम सेंटेंसेस इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड हाउ कैन वी राइट, स्पीक आउट about the actions in English language which were going on, जो जारी थी at some mentioned time in the past, past के किसी mentioned time में क्या हो रहा था, उनके मुतालिक हम कैसे बात करें, ये आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रहा हूं। So you might have now grasped what I have to teach today. Now for that you again need ing form of the verb. Here there is no need of am, is, that is present. आपको मालूम है कि to be से जो शुरुआत होती है, is, am is present of to be. Was and were is the past. Was जो है ये singular subject के साथ लगाओ, verb की ing form के साथ लगाओ। और जो वेयर है ये प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, जैसे दे, जैसे वी, सिंगुलर में आएगा आई, ही, शी, आबिर, कासिम, माय टीचर, माय फादर, माय ब्रदर, माय फ्रेंड। दे, वी, माय सिस्टर्स, माय ब्रदर्स, माय फ्रेंड्स, माय टीचर्स, माय कोलीग्स। स्टूडेंट्स, स्टूडेंट यहां आएगा, स्टूडेंट से आएगा। यानी सिंगुलर्स के साथ वाज, वर्ब की ing form, and with the plurals you have to use were plus ing form of the verb. तो आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रहा हूं how can we talk in English about the actions which were going on at some recent time in the past, how to talk about them, how to write about them, and how to speak out about them. That is my project today. Let me make some sentences to make you understand what you have learned today and what you will learn just now. When my father reached home, जब मेरे पापा घर पूछे, मैंने एक टाइम को मेंशन किया। आई वॉज वॉचिंग मूवी, मैं उस समय मूवी देख रहा था। When earthquake occurred, जब भूचाल हुआ, I was playing in the ground. My sister was washing clothes that time. That time किसी समय कुछ हुआ था, that time. When wind was blowing, when wind was blowing, I was taking tea. एक तरफ से हवा भी जा रही थी, एक तरफ से बिछा, दोनों पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस। She was ironing clothes when Mama reached home. When I got call, I was reading a book. उस समय मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था। When I got call, I was reading a book. When students left class, teacher was waiting for them. उस्ताद उनका इंतजार कर रहा था। but they had left. Now plural. They were watching TV yesterday in the evening. In the evening I mentioned sometime. वो कब टीवी देख रहे थे? They were watching TV in the evening. We were playing cricket when it was intense heat. यानी कल जब जबरदस्त धूप थी हम उस समय क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. They were watching TV when someone knocked at the door. किसी ने डोर को नॉक किया, वो टीवी देख रहे हैं. They got disturbed that time. When someone knocked at the door, they were watching TV. Students were studying mathematics when CO entered the class. जब चीफ एजुकेशन ऑफिसर क्लास के अंदर एंटर हुआ, स्टूडेंट्स were learning maths. Girls were knitting sweaters when officer of the social welfare reached their office. Students were taking lunch when teacher entered the class. So for negative statements you can go just not. I was not reading newspaper when you called me. जब आपने मुझे कॉल की मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा था. They were not running fast when someone stopped them. जब किसी ने इनको स्टॉप किया, they were not running fast as the report was given. So this you can say that for making the sentences in the continuous actions of the past mentioned time, we have to use past continuous tense. Now, another thing, just one question, one answer. What was she doing when teacher entered the class? She was memorizing her notes. Question banao. What was she doing when teacher entered the class? She was memorizing notes. What were students doing when principal called them? They were studying English language in the class with their teacher. So to make the questions very easy, how to frame the questions, inshallah in the coming videos I will make a conversation in present continuous tense, conversation is past continuous tense. There you can grasp how to frame questions in these tenses. Till then, goodbye to you. Thank you very much.